So I want to welcome our demo drivers for today. We have Zach and Nikki in the demo booth. Give them a big shout out. They're going to be demoing for us all day. We've pulled up a profile for an example customer, Emily, at Quadstar, a fictitious media and telco company. Now here in her profile, we see all of her engagement and behavior data coming into one place. We even have calculated insights, so we can see her predicted engagement score. We can see how high a value of a customer she is. And Emily is a high-value customer. She's been with us for a while, and we can actually keep her profile enriched with real-time signals beyond just her own engagement. We can see zero-copy Snowflake data coming in, providing network signals across every touch point. So if she's having any interactions that we need to alert on, we can see that here. And what's more, our marketing team has visibility into this. So now we can actually action off this right away. So let's go ahead and create a new segment. Here, we're going to go ahead and build out our new audience. We have a couple of criteria already in here, but we want to find more customers like Emily. So we're going to go ahead and use a quick attribute, which are marketer-friendly tools, to help you segment on this audience and fine-tune it based on those real-time signals. Here, we're going to look for customers with that high value, lifetime value, like Emily. OK, our segment's ready to go. We didn't have to pull any reports. We didn't have to stitch together queries and wait days. We just created a new campaign in a couple of clicks. We'll drop that directly into our draft campaign. Agentforce Marketing is built on the unified platform. We're in the same tool, and now we can manage our campaign in the same place. We see our segment. We've got an SMS message started, but we're going to add on from here. We can manage all of our channels in a centralized campaign. So app engagement is a priority for Quadstar, and we're going to go ahead and send them a new push notification. We're taken straight to our content builder, and here we can, in a couple of steps, go ahead and create this new message. It's all done in one platform. We're ready to send our push notification and get this campaign live. With flash sending, this simple push notification now can send up to 5 million users in 90 seconds. That's the difference between real-time alerts in the moment when it's relevant to that customer versus days later when the moment's already passed. And this is proactive outreach. Great. We've sent our outbound campaign. But what about those responsive adaptive messages I mentioned? Let's move over to Emily's experience on her mobile device and see that push notification come in. If we open that up, we're going to be taken to the app homepage. This isn't a generic experience. Salesforce Personalization is powering this entire page. So it knows who Emily is and can actually curate the right content for her based on her engagement. She's still experiencing a little friction, so she starts a new chat with the service agent on Quadstar. She's letting it know that her service has been a little slower, and this agent has her context. It's not a generic chatbot. It knows who she is, doesn't even have to ask, and actually can go ahead and diagnose her issue. It's letting her know that she actually is on an older device and could use an upgrade. So it's going to go ahead and recommend specific products for her upgrade right here in this chat. This is great. Emily is ready to take the plunge, get the new iPhone 17, but she wants to look at this later. So she goes ahead and asks the agent to send her a follow-up email. This is where campaigns stop talking at you and start working with you. Because the marketing team doesn't have to go off and create a new campaign or run a new report on that experience and that conversation. It's all happening with an agentic experience. The agent can send a follow-up email now in email and continue on to that conversation. So let's revisit Emily and see when she gets home later that night, that email that just comes in. It's got the same context. It's offering up those same offers that it had before. And this is where the end of do not reply happens. She can respond right in the thread. And now an agent can actually pick up where they left off right in the email. So she can get a couple questions answered, and then the agent can actually go ahead and provide a simple checkout link for her to complete her purchase right here. What was once a moment of friction is now a moment of connection and a new upgrade. And all of these things that you just saw are powered by some of our most recent innovations on Agentforce Marketing. We now have mobile app messaging, flash sending, two-way email, and our new customer engagement agent coming in June. We're thrilled to continue on and provide more innovation to deliver these adaptive two-way experiences.